A talk was organized on defending liberties by Delhi High Court Women Lawyers Forum and WCLA, where Justice Lokul, retired Supreme Court judge, had rightly observed that in cases of preventive detention, the courts should be liberal. And he stated that when you're talking about preventive detention, then you're talking about a person who is behind bars without a trial. And in such cases, the court's approach must be liberal. On the issue of manual scavenging, the Karnataka High Court has reserved its order in a plea filed by AICCTU, in which the petitioners have contended that the implementation of the act which prevents the employment of manual scavenging should be implemented as a whole in the state itself. Also, it has been contended before the court that a direction should be given to restrict any kind of employment, whether contractual or private, which has any impact on the same. In AIIMS, 80% seats were reserved for female nurses. Today, the Central Administrative Tribunal dealing with the matter upheld the reservation, stating that the scope of Article 15.3 is much wider than the scope of Article 16.4. Recently, the Kerala governor has signed an ordinance which amends the Kerala Police Act, also inserts Section 118A, which states that anyone who insults anyone through social media platform or defames can land in jail for 5 years, and a fine would be imposed of rupees 10,000 rupees respectively. Today, the Haryana government has accepted the recommendations made by the high-level committee to extend the parole for 4,000 plus under trials. This came under the pursuance of order which was directed by the Supreme Court in March, which established high-level committees in different states and union territories respectively.